I'm Hernando County Sheriff Al Nienhuis with yet another segment of our new video series. Now these videos will be less than 5 minutes each and will discuss some of the broad issues tackled by a modern law enforcement agency. Please follow our Facebook page or subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of upcoming videos. Also, since every situation is different and has an infinite number of variables, these videos are for general information only, and they may or may not apply to a specific situation. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about vehicles that are not always street legal, including low-speed vehicles, ATVs, and golf carts. Much like the topic of homelessness, there are very strong emotions and opinions on both sides of this topic. Many people, understandably, believe this is just harmless fun. People on the other side of the issue are at their wits' end with the noise, the property damage, and the flagrant disregard for traffic and trespassing laws. Enforcement can sometimes be a challenge due to the fact that these vehicles can go places that a standard patrol car cannot, and the suspect often flees. Furthermore, chasing a powerful ATV can often lead to the suspect, which is frequently a child or young adult, being seriously injured or killed for what is a relatively minor infraction. Now, it's tempting to say that the person deserves what he or she gets, but making a death notification to a parent or a spouse will often change someone's view on that subject. Therefore, it takes a very coordinated operational plan to conduct enforcement in a particular area of the county, often taking weeks of planning to ensure that the right equipment and personnel, including air assets, are in place to have the desired result. Now, this video will touch on just a couple of the laws relating to these vehicles. We put some links in the narrative with many more specifics for those who may have questions. First, Florida law has a specific class of vehicle called low-speed vehicles. They are basically street legal, registered and insured vehicles that have a top speed between 20 and 25 miles an hour and are only allowed on roads with a speed limit of less than 35 miles an hour. Now, since they're street legal vehicles, they must be registered and insured and must be operated by a licensed driver. Golf carts can also be driven on certain designated roadways, but only if the road has been specifically approved for golf cart use. These areas will actually have a golf cart signage in place, and other than specifically designated roads, golf carts cannot be legally operated on roadways. Now, the operator of a golf cart on these designated roadways, if under 18 years of age, must possess a valid learner's permit or a valid driver's license. If the operator is 18 or over, he or she must possess a valid form of government-issued photo identification. It's also important to note that golf carts can only be operated on these specifically designated roadways between sunrise and sunset and should never be operated after dark. As per Hernando County ordinance and state law, traditional ATVs are not currently allowed on any Hernando County roadway. Now, please make sure that if you ride your ATV or UTV off-road and you do not own the property, make sure you have the property owner's permission. Now, for more information on ATVs, golf carts, and low-speed vehicles, we've included some links from the Florida Highway Safety of Motor Vehicles and some applicable laws in the narrative of this post. Now, I hope you found this video informative. Remember to follow our Facebook page or subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Now, if you'd like to learn more about the great things going on every day, including a segment on traffic, I would invite you to attend our Free Citizens Academy. A link with more information is listed in the narrative of this video. And as always, we appreciate the overwhelming support we receive from the community. We never take it for granted. Thank you.